Do you think AI will take away your job? We don't know the answer, but what we know is that AI is definitely making the job easier. We are moving away from basic apps and tedious, repetitive manual tasks toward truly smart AI agents. You really do not have to handle every little detail yourself anymore. That is why we are looking at 5 great AI tools that actually manage your routine, talk to your software, and figure things out alone. To start our journey, let us look at a tool that almost everyone in the business world already knows quite well. When we talk about connecting different programs together, Zapier has been a steady companion for many years, but now they have brought something completely new to our workspace. They have introduced advanced AI agents right into their familiar setup, which means we can build these smart helpers using everyday, plain English instructions instead of complicated code. If we want to see how this works step by step, the process is straightforward. First, we open the interface where we usually work and locate the connectors menu to find Zapier. Second, we select our preferred AI model, whether that's Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini, knowing we can change our mind later on. Third, we dive into their massive library of over 9,000 applications to add the specific tools our business uses every day, like our email or cloud storage. Finally, we set up exact permissions for each app, so our agent knows exactly what it is allowed to read or modify, ensuring our business data stays safe and secure. Once this setup is complete, our new agent can autonomously handle multi-step goals. For example, when a new client signs up, the agent can create a custom folder in our cloud storage, generate a warm welcome email, add specific tasks to our project manager, and schedule a check-in call without us ever needing to intervene. Now, while the previous platform focuses heavily on sheer app numbers, Make gives us a beautifully visual environment where we can watch our data move through every single turn. They have perfectly combined traditional structured automation with autonomous AI capabilities, which gives us a hybrid setup that can tackle an entire project from start to finish. Instead of us mapping out every micro step and setting rigid rules for the computer to follow, we simply give the agent a main objective. The agent then looks at the information it receives, reasons through the problem, and figures out the absolute best way to reach that goal on its own. This visual method makes it much easier for us to debug errors and see exactly where our data is flowing, though it does take a bit of practice to fully master the system. It is an excellent match for teams that process massive amounts of data and want a clear structural view of how their autonomous systems are behaving every second of the day. When a business grows, safety, governance, and strict compliance become just as important as the automation itself. This is where Vellum steps in by offering an enterprise-first agent builder that lets our teams create reliable, production-ready helpers using natural language prompts. What makes this choice so distinct is how it balances simplicity for non-technical employees with deep control for our engineers. We can use their prompt-to-agent workflow to turn plain instructions into a functioning system instantly. At the same time, our development team can use their software development kits to customize everything deeply and ensure the agent aligns perfectly with our proprietary internal code. If we look at how to deploy this properly, the steps are built around precision and safety. Once verified, Vellum packages these workflows into secure applications that our entire company can safely use to automate heavy data tasks, all while maintaining a complete audit trail of every single action taken. Next up on our list, we have a tool that is a dream come true for our highly technical teams and developers who want absolute control over their environment: N8N. While some platforms keep everything hidden behind the scenes, N8N gives us an open, flexible architecture that we can even host on our own private servers for total data control. The standout feature here is the advanced tool use and the ability to create multi-agent workflows. This means we don't just have one lonely agent working by itself. We can actually build a whole network of specialized agents that talk to each other, coordinate tasks, and hand off work when a project requires a different type of expertise. When we build with this system, we combine 3 essential pieces like building blocks. First, we establish the brain by connecting a language model like OpenAI or Claude to handle the natural reasoning. Second, we add memory using vector databases, which allows our agent to remember short-term conversations and retain long-term context across a multi-step project. Third, we connect data gathering tools that can scrape websites or read local files to feed our agents fresh, structured information.
Gumloop handles your busy work by setting up your daily workflows with some really smart AI. The whole thing is built around individual pieces called nodes, where every single node takes care of just one specific job. So instead of stressing over building some massive automation from scratch, you just connect these little steps together. Let us say you need to pull a bunch of background info on a company without doing all that manual digging. You start by tossing in an input node to grab the company's website link, which officially gets the ball rolling. Next, you just drop in a web scraping node right after it. Once the workflow kicks off, the platform jumps onto the site and pulls the text straight from the homepage. Then you hit the AI section, which is honestly the best part of the whole setup. You can have the system write up a quick, one-sentence description of the business using that raw text. The AI reads through the data and hands you a sharp summary. Right after that, a second AI node can automatically tag the company as tech, consulting, or manufacturing.
In conclusion, choosing the right AI agent comes down to your team's specific technical comfort and governance needs. We encourage you to evaluate your workflows today and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.